Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best mop holder rack. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best mop holder rack for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Keeping your cleaning supplies organized is key to maintaining a tidy home, and a mop holder rack is an invaluable addition to your cleaning arsenal. Here's what to consider when purchasing one. Look for racks made from durable materials like stainless steel or heavy-duty plastic. These ensure longevity and resistance to moisture. Consider how many mops, brooms, or cleaning tools you need to store. Some racks can hold multiple items, while others are designed for just one or two. Choose a design that suits your space. Wall-mounted racks save floor space, while freestanding options can be easily moved. Assess whether you want a simple installation process. Some racks come with all necessary hardware, while others may require additional tools. Some mop holders come with additional features like hooks for storing dustpans or gloves, enhancing their functionality. Mop holder racks are available at various price points. Set a budget, but remember that investing in a quality rack can save you money in the long run by prolonging the life of your cleaning tools. In summary, a good mop holder rack should be durable, capacity appropriate, easy to install, and fit well within your cleaning routine. With the right choice, you can streamline your cleaning process and maintain a clutter-free home. Thanks for watching the video.